Hello friends, I am Dr. Jaydev Panchavak. I am chairman of the Synapse Brain and Spine Foundation, a founding member of Neurochirurgische Hilfe Indien, which is Indo-German Neurosurgery Foundation. I am a consultant neurosurgeon working in Pune, India for the last 20 years, and I am consultant neurosurgeon at Sahyadri Hospital. Today I want to speak about a very common spinal problem which usually occurs because of spondylosis. Spondylosis is the word we all know or we have heard. This topic is lumbar canal stenosis, and the resultant symptom is neurogenic claudication. Lumbar canal stenosis is the disease in which the diameter of the canal through which the nerves pass here in our low back, that canal becomes narrow. So the process of becoming narrow is called as stenosis. And lumbar canal, lumbar because it is in the low back, so it is lumbar canal through which the nerve passes, and stenosis means becoming narrow. So this usually happens because of excessive spondylotic changes, that is lumbar spondylosis. Sometimes it happens because of spondylolisthesis. So there are different reasons. However, the pathology is that since the diameter reduces over the period of time, the nerves inside start getting compressed, their blood supply goes on reducing, and they start experiencing what is known as claudication. So what is the meaning of claudication? Claudication means that if a person starts walking, initially usually there is no pain. After some time he starts getting heaviness, pain, tingling in both the lower limbs from the back side, usually starting from the low back, going in buttocks, then thighs and the legs, calves to be precise, and then sometimes into the feet. So these symptoms go on increasing. He or she continues walking, and then the point comes when the person just cannot go forward. He or she just has to stop and take rest. After some time, they can get up and again walk for some distance. Initially, patients tell us that they were able to walk for nearly 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, and then these symptoms would start. And as the days pass, this distance of pain-free walking goes on reducing. So they say nowadays we start getting pain, heaviness in both the lower limbs, weakness in both the lower limbs after walking for about 5 minutes or few meters or something like that. So this distance for which they can walk without pain is called as claudication distance. And this happens because of the lumbar canal getting narrow. Now, we have to remember these symptoms because as the age advances, the spondylosis also increases, and people start thinking that their walking disability or not being able to walk for long distances, getting heaviness, tingling, pain is because of age. So they neglect it. Sometimes there are some other diseases because of which age can cause these problems. But lumbar canal stenosis is something, if diagnosed in time and correctly and treated surgically, a person can go back to his or her level of walking distance and exercise distance, etc. And walking is a very important activity in advanced stage. It is very important for a person to walk to prevent heart disease, to keep diabetes in control, to mingle with the society, to attend different programs. So it is a basis of physical and mental well-being in a person, especially the aged person. With the modern medicine, people are living longer, and they should live independently, and for that we have to know what lumbar canal stenosis and neurogenic claudication is. And this is the purpose of making this video, to inform people that these symptoms should be caught early. Lumbar canal stenosis can also occur because of one vertebra slipping on another. It is called as spondylolisthesis, and that also narrows the lumbar canal. And that also we can correct with the help of realignment of the spine and decompression of the nerves. So, canal stenosis symptoms are important to remember. Again, I will repeat, it starts with low back pain. The pain spreads in both the buttocks on the back side of the thigh, then goes in the legs or calves, and the legs become heavy. There is tingling, sometimes numbness while walking, and the person has to stop or sit for some time and then can walk further. In the most progressed form of this disease, people say that when we are standing somewhere, we just cannot stand. We are always trying to find a place to sit because our legs are becoming heavy, numb, and we just cannot stand for a long time. Many ladies with advanced age and this problem tell us that while they are standing to make tea or coffee, they immediately try to find a stool to sit. They cannot stand in front of the stove to make tea or coffee. So please remember that lumbar canal stenosis and neurogenic claudication are treatable conditions. They should be diagnosed early, suspected early, diagnosed early, treated early for these middle-aged and elderly people to continue living their life normally. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Jaydev Panchwak. Do write to us if you have any problems about brain surgery or spine surgery, and we will answer your queries to the best of our ability. As I always say, please spread medical knowledge, empower people with knowledge, and help us help others. Thank you very much.